Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Discord invalid phone number problem. Now if you're seeing a Discord invalid phone number error or just an invalid phone number error, it usually means there's an issue with how your number is entered or how Discord validates it. So the first thing you can do is to make sure your phone number includes the correct country code. Do not include extra characters, dashes or parentheses. Enter the number as plain digits. You can also make sure the number isn't already in use, as a number can't be linked to multiple Discord accounts. If used on another device, remove it there first before trying again. Now, avoid using VOP or virtual numbers, as Discord does not accept them. Use a view mobile carrier number. And try using a different browser like Chrome, UC Mini, Firefox, or app like from the desktop app to the mobile app, or from the mobile app to the desktop app, or try logging in through the Discord website. Now, if you've tried out this and nothing still works, even also try reinstalling and clearing the cache. Now, if you've tried all this and nothing works, contact support. They should fix it for you. Hope you find the video helpful.